We've all felt that morning dread when opening Outlook to a wall of unread messages. But today, I'm going to show you how I use Claude to cut through that noise in seconds. I start by asking Claude for a simple sit rep. I'm way behind. What actually needs my focus? Instead of just listing emails, Claude identifies the high-stakes Acme industrial project and flags a pressing deadline I might have missed, effectively triaging my morning before I've even finished my first cup of coffee. Once we know the priority, we don't just stay in the inbox. We move straight into Microsoft Word to build out the strategy. I don't have to explain the project again because Claude carries that full context over with me. I simply ask it to draft a proposal using my specific client memo template and the Acme brief we just identified. It's fascinating to watch it work. It populates the fields, structures the logic, and runs its own consistency checks to make sure the draft is professional and ready for a deep dive. Next, we need to make sure the numbers actually back up our narrative, so we head over to Excel. I tell Claude to update our value creation model based on the proposal we just built in Word. If I look at the data and feel the synergy assumptions are looking a bit too optimistic, I don't have to hunt through formulas. I just tell Claude to dial them back, and I can watch the entire spreadsheet recalibrate in real time, giving us a live, intelligent analysis of our financial model. To wrap this up for the stakeholders, we jump into PowerPoint to create the Project Lighthouse deck. I ask Claude to take those key assumptions we just finalized in Excel and turn them into a new slide. It doesn't just dump text, it builds a slide that matches my deck's existing style, complete with updated margin bridges and revenue builds. Finally, to close the loop, I have Claude check my calendar for a 30-minute window to walk the team through these changes. It finds the time and drafts the Outlook invite, completing a complex multi-app project through one continuous conversation.